Hey y'all, welcome to Planmas Day 4. Today we're opening another little treat from the Collab event. And the packaging actually makes me smile. So pretty. The florals on the tissue paper are so gorgeous. Let's get into it. I like the tissue paper. It'd probably be good for junk journaling or maybe even used as a vellum or a tip into your planner. So I'm trying to preserve it, keeping it in one piece. And okay, we have a floral journaling kit from Sammy Lynn Plans over on Etsy. The soft floral watercolor stickers. I love the colors, and it would be nice for the springtime. And there's some individual flowers and different shapes cut out. Good for a good journaling page or layering with other stickers. So this is really nice. I really enjoy that. All the things that make you have a calm page before you write a single word. I love these kits because they're gentle and they let me um, share how I really feel. You see the video switch over to my quiet journaling session. The lights are low, the candle is going, and honestly, this is my favorite kind of moment. Just me, my planner, and the soft glow on the page, and a chance for uh, thoughtful, mindful breathing, and just to sit with my planner for a second. I've been thinking a lot about what this year has meant. 2025 has taken me through so many emotions, good days, hard days, heavy moments, and moments I didn't want to forget. And sitting here journaling, it made me realize that I spent the whole year learning how to slow down, not stop, not quit, but just slow down, move with intention instead of rushing myself to the next thing. Some days I didn't get it right. And some days I moved too fast, or I didn't show up enough for myself, and I didn't show myself enough care. But this planner, these pages, these quiet sessions, they remind me that I'm still here, I'm still growing, and I'm still learning how to take each day as it comes. I think that's why I love journaling. During the holidays, it's messy and emotional and all warm at once. You're looking back and you're looking forward at the same time, trying to make sense of where you've been and where you're hoping to go. And for me, this Planmas series has been a small promise to myself. Show up, write it down, and give yourself permission to feel whatever you feel. As I'm writing in this clip, I don't need a perfect plan to start fresh. I just need moments like this, quiet moments, honest moments, moments when I can say, yeah, this year was a lot, but I'm still moving and I'm still thankful. And if you're watching this and your year has felt heavy or confusing or just plain exhausting, I hope you take a minute for yourself to light a candle, grab your journal, put down one thought, one line, one hope. Sometimes that's enough to remind you that you're still allowed to grow. So, with that being said, this is my day 4, a sweet journaling kit, a cozy setup, and a little heart check in for myself. Thank you for being here with me each day. I'll see you tomorrow for Planmas Day 5.